Eagle plane. Everyone's bagged are here. We are all waiting to board the plane. We're gonna ask Eleanor Murphy and Josie, how are you guys feeling for Eagle? Good. Excited? Yes. All right. We'll see you guys later. Hey guys, we're boarding the plane for the Eagle. How you guys feeling?
Amazing. Hungry. Yeah. He's also hungry.
What are you guys most looking forward to when we land?
Hopefully warmer weather. Slightly.
Yeah.
Buying new clothes.
Sun.
Hey guys, we're boarded the plane. We got apples, and I got a whole row to myself. Wow. Chase, would you like to say hello to the vlog?
Yeah, sure.
How you feeling for Eagle?
I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. Can't wait to get on there and stand duty right away.
Yippee!
Yeah.
Hey guys, we got some dinner and an MAA3. Say hello to the vlog. Bye. Hey guys, we're at quarters today. We're all mustering up. Say hello to the vlog. Check out the clear blue water. We're having a good time. Today we're learning pinrails. Another one of the duties is standing this. Hey guys, today we are learning different sails. We have a test today on the head sail, stay sail, upper and lower mizzen, the main sail, and the lower, upper, top, down, and royal sail. Hey guys, we're furling up the sails. We're tying it up and putting it back before we go to Florida. So check out all of our classes up there. We are preparing to have dinner with the captain. This is the flag cabin. That's New London. We're just waiting. That's the table. Dinner time. Miles, how would you rate the meal tonight?
This meal was a 10 out of 10. When try again indefinitely. You know what? Actually, 9.7 out of 10. The mac and cheese is mid.
Mac and cheese is mid.
It's okay,
You
bro.
heard
Everything
it
else
here.
was delicious, as you can see. Thank you.
Hey guys, we just promoted hashtag third class. How are you feeling?
So excited!
How are you feeling as a newly promoted third class?
Yes!
Please interject in the vlog.
Danica, hello! Orin, hello!
Megan's ready to climb.
Wait.
Yes. Here, hold it.
Hi!
Bye. This is the tours in Pensacola. The line stretches all the way back there. That's the line to get onto Eagle. And we're on duty now.
Thank you.
Tells me that this wheel's backwards. Why
Yeah,
is
look
it?
at-
Why is it facing this way?
Hashtag tours. Hi, sorry. We have Lincoln and Caleb. They're doing tours too. Yeah. Say hi. Okay, bye. This is the bridge and the three steering wheels. They got all their flags up. What are we having for dinner?
We're having rice, green beans, and steak.
Thank you. Could I get no beans, please? Hey guys, we got some filet mignon for dinner. What a treat. How is it?
It's good.
It's good. Rate it out of 10.
I'm gonna give it an 8.
Eight.
The green beans.
10 out of 10.
10. I didn't get green beans, but
You're
that's
missing
now.
out. No.
Hey guys, how's dinner? How's the big steak?
The green beans are really good.
We're on the Mississippi River, buffing the barque, making it shiny. We got a little scullery action. Spencer over here. We got Spencer and Silly. Hey guys, we're pulling into
guys.
New Orleans. You guys can join the vlog.
Hey guys, we're live from New Orleans. We're on the Coast Guard Barque Eagle.
We're at the Liana went up to climb. How was it?
It was fine. It was a little wet and it was a little scary at the end when the lightning came in, but other than that, it was okay.
What's that? Is that Spanish moss up there? What is that called? It's actually called baggy wrinkle.
Oh, tell us more.
So it's used to prevent
Who's this for?
to prevent chafing on the sails. And we're cadets from the Coast Guard Academy.
Yeah. Look at this boat. Nice. It's a pilot vessel. They're showing us where to go. Look at those other ones. Let's say hi to the vlog. We're all waiting in under the tarp. Check out all of our classmates. They're climbing up there. Bye. Hey guys, we're currently in Jackson Square. We're checking out all the vendors and all this is the Museum Cabildo. And there's a bunch of artwork. Hey guys, we're currently at the port of New Orleans and we're checking out all the other tall ships here. This one is from Peru. You can see that they're low-key mogging us. We got a way bigger ship and way more masts, but it's cool. This is the Peru ship and their helm. Their bridge is low-key awesome.
Alright, gallon.
This is the Argentinian ship. This is the Colombian ship. They have really cool lines. Their like flag colors are like in there. They even have their bell.
Try to hop on that one too.
Yeah.
No, wait. There's a robot.
There's also the ship from Uruguay. So basically on rounds, we have to look in these crevices called bilges to make sure there's not a lot of leaking or water. This is the dry food storage. Hey guys, we're in the DC area. We got Tober and Morena. She's making a new design for the sail locker.
All right, we got one, we got two, we got two. Two from one from Simon, one from Simon. Oh, they're crushing it, complete, banded it. Oh, we got it, they're chugging. All right, let's see. Oh, now we're from
Dolphins, yeah.
Dolphins.
MES, wow.
They can jump higher than that. I can jump higher.
Vlog. Oh, we got in trouble. Hey guys, today we're doing best for dinner. We have rhino stove
And we have barque.
It's German beef tonight. We have a bit of dill style gravy, mashed potatoes, and carrots. Guys, we're getting ready for sail stations. We're gonna be dousing these sails. We have Celine here. Yes, thank you for letting me use your phone because mine is charging. Over there we have a bird. That's all. Climbing the royals on the Eagle. Josie, how are you feeling?
Good, this is awesome. Better than yesterday.
Better than yesterday. Ava, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Great, amazing, awesome. I think Ellie's talking with some family. Ugh. Let me catapult myself up. Look how far that is below. Here, I'll ask them. Hey, how are you guys feeling? Happy we all made it up. What would you rate this experience?
11 out of 10.
Awesome.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. All right, we got Spencer down there, and Liana and Carter down there. We got some other friends on the foremast up ahead, just enjoying the sunset. This is a berthing room tour. So first we have our CO2 extinguisher, then our communal shelf. Everyone gets a locker where they can put their towels and laundry. This area can hold 6 people, 3 on each side. And this hallway area is kind of narrow, but then we have 6 more beds. 1, 2, 3 on each side. My bed is down here. A pro tip I've gotten is to get the bottom bunk because it gets cooler in the night. That's a fan. So basically you lift this and you can store all your belongings inside, just like this one looks. And in the night, we need some privacy. You can pull this curtain just like so.
The room right here.
Dude, I don't know why you picked that one. That looks like a lot more room. Oh, that sucks. I feel bad. I'm sorry.
Let's escape.
Everything. Oh, Miles came out. Yeah, Miles is ready.
End of the workday, sunset, little dance sesh, some chillers. Look at this guy.